Okay, here we are on lesson 2 of the IELTS Terminator Writing for IELTS course. Still on part 1. We're going to be talking here about the vocabulary for graphs. You're going to have to do a little bit of work here. Okay, so let's keep it simple. Simple is always best. There are only 3 things that a graph does. So the vocabulary we need is not a lot. Firstly, graphs go up. They go down. And they stay the same. Basically, that's it. However, if we say only that, it shows the examiner that we are unable to describe it well, and we do need to be able to describe it well. So, let's look at ways to say it better. You can pause the video now and write as many words or expressions that you can think of that mean the same as going up or getting greater. When you've done that, hit play and let's see if we are thinking in the same way. Pause the video, write as many ways of saying going up or getting greater that you can think of. Here are some I thought of. Did you think of similar expressions? Ascend, climb, increase, rise, surge, grow, get higher, escalate, advance, swell, develop, spread, expand. Undoubtedly there are more, but this is quite a lot, isn't it? Teacher, that's so many. Wow. Well, there is good news. But the secret is this. We need only a few of them. Remember, our essay is only 160 words long. If we only know 2 or 3 of these words and use them in that essay, the examiner never knows that we don't know any more. Your essay contains only 160 words. So if you know about 3 words dealing with going up, it's enough. The examiner reads your work only once. He's got no idea that maybe you don't know any other words that mean going up. So you only need to choose about 3 of them and get comfortable with using them. So choose. Choose 3, maybe 4, that you think you would be comfortable using to describe going up, and let's start building our vocabulary on those few that you choose. Got them? Then let's move on and start building our vocabulary. We are going to be really good writers. If you don't already have a notebook for your vocabulary, now would be a good time to get one. Rule a page of your notebook into 4 columns and put headings: noun, present verb, past verb, future verb. Now start adding the words you have chosen and filling in the gaps so you will know how to use these words in all tenses and how to use the nouns. I'll put 5 words in here now, but you might choose different ones. Use a dictionary or a thesaurus to find the details you need. Here are the few that I will put. Ascension, ascend, ascended, will ascend, climb, present verb climb, past tense verb climbed, will climb. An increase, the production will does increase, the production increased, the production will increase. Noun, rise. There is a rise. The production is about to rise. The production rose, and in the future the production will rise. Growth. There was a growth of 4%. At present, the production is growing. The past tense, the production grew. In the future, production will grow. So just pick a few words and make sure you understand how to use the noun and the verbs. Now you need to do the same for words that have the same meaning as go down, and then for stay the same. See how your vocabulary is growing so quickly. Remember, you don't have to use all the words that you can find that mean these things. So, in our next lesson, we will add quantifying and qualifying words to the ones we now know to show some really sophisticated English. Don't forget, do this exercise for go down and stay the same. We will have sophisticated English.